I'm Michael. I'm from Sydney. The reason I joined Amazon was I'd liked the idea of working from home or working from anywhere and making money from it. Originally, I wanted to start as a side business as well as keeping my normal job just to see how it would go, learn the process, learn how to do things properly, and see where it takes me. And I'm quite happy with how it goes as long as I fine-tune a few things and get things fine-tuned a little bit better so I can do things more accurately and not to do so many mistakes. But it's a learning process at the start. So I'll just keep at that and see how it goes, and I'll just try and scale it bit by bit and see where that takes me. But in the course, I didn't want to. I thought there was a lot too much to learn doing it myself, so I joined Alex's course to just get the basic on the how-tos and whens and whys, and that helped me tremendously. As well as that, I watch a lot of YouTube videos as well, just on more specific, detailed things. But yeah, so hopefully I'll do my best and see where it takes me. The reason why I chose you guys, don't get a big head, Alex, but I saw your head and I saw the Opera House behind you. And the first thing that came to my mind was, this guy's in Sydney, Australia. And I wanted to try and focus with Australia because everything else I had watched was from other countries. And I thought, well, that might not be the same as what we do. Similar, but not exactly the same. So I thought it'd be more of a customary thing that I would go with someone that's in Australia. And Opera House, I thought Sydney, well, that's perfect. So, and there's a bit more in common too with different values and everything, and things that we think of and things that we can sell and buy and what have you. But I wanted someone local. So that was the main reason. And then I signed up and off we went to the seminar up at the Gold Coast. What I love about the training is the Monday night training sessions where you can ask a question, but also recently with the Zoom call where we can interact a lot. I think that's a good idea because there's more of a personal touch there. But I know that would probably take a lot of time if people get carried away with conversations. But I think it's a good idea. The only other trainings that I have done is I did the 2-day course up at Queensland. That was quite good, quite interactive. Yes, I would recommend it because it's quite in-depth and there's a lot of, especially in the website modules, there's a lot of information there that you need to go through. A lot of people just think that it's just buying stuff from China and putting on Amazon, that's it. But there's a lot of other little things that you need to do before you even pick your first product, and that's all explained. But yes, I would recommend the training. It's quite good.